made these big slimes, but we couldn't keep them, so we just mixed together them and then made a neighbor.
You're so stretchy. Woo! Yay, ugly.
And then later on, we will be doing another video. You guys have to comment. Alright, let's put this one away.
Drinking my chocolate milk. Yes.
Athena, go get me my chocolate milk.
Okay, now we like drinking.
In the Starbucks cup.
She could not reach all the way.
I'll go get it, guys. I'll be right back.
She'll be right back. We got this one. We got these. And what's my cup?
And we'll show you the names of them and tell you because they're like fading away.
They're fading away. But at least we still know some of them.
Alright, this one is called May. You can't see the A though.
This one is squishy.
The stool is out here. It's right there.
Squishy's here.
See, this one's pink, but it kind of looks like orange on the camera. It's right there in front of you. Right there. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around.
Right there, Athena. Look. Stool. Right there. Behind you. Yes. Oh my God. You're dumb.
Now grab the slime.
See that?
And then this one's pay. This one's pay. You just can't see it. That is pay.
May and Pay are my slime.
And Guy Diamond is one of them. This one is Guy Diamond from Trolls. If you have watched Trolls, then you know Guy Diamond. This is a squishy like a real squishy.
Pay keeps like getting sticky. Keep getting slime up here. Like
This one is the and this one is mine. Aya!
Athena,
Go! These girls.
next video she can read.
That's what we have to put some clothes on.
Okay.
And
Get down. Get down.
get down. You can't be in the video today. Sometimes Mr. Squishy can't get his life together.
Alright, those are all my slimes I showed you guys.
See? Slow ride.
Wait, where's that?
And it also smells like nail polish.
Yeah, because she put a bunch of nail polish.
And this one got diamond.
Get down, get down, get down.
I have a Guy Diamond head. Woo! Yes, fantastic. Better get that away because this is going to go everywhere. Everywhere, go everywhere, go. This is a big mouth. Yeah. No, my mouth. My mouth.
Oh my God.
Sorry. You guys okay? You guys smacked like a few times.
Smell like
Girl, you wiggling the table. Sticky slime. Sticky. It's apple. I'm on the menu. Big. Look, Nani, it's a snail.
it's a snail.
It's not a snail. It is not a snail.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
It
is.
is not a snail.
It is.
Athena's thinking about her snail.
Are you?
Stop falling. Just put this here.
Later on, guys, we're doing another video, so
You might as well be still watching.
that was your our fault.
It's both of our faults.
No, because you're like this.
Yeah, but at least like... Girl, it's not gonna work like that. You gotta put something like... Okay, let's put this in the container. So it stops. No, put it in the